As I said, there are two main groups of nutrients: the macronutrients needed in fairly large amounts in the body, which include calories, proteins, carbohydrates, and fats, and the micronutrients needed only in small amounts, and which include vitamins and minerals. All right. Let's now talk about macronutrients. And let's start with proteins. Their function is to assist with the growth and repair of the body. They come from animal products like meat, fish, cheese, milk, and eggs, and also from vegetable sources like soybean products, nuts like almond, cashew, peanuts, and pulses like lentils, beans, and peas. We have examples of pulses here.